Okay, the next is the SWOT analysis, the very famous SWOT analysis. SWOT: S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and T for threats, right. So strengths, weaknesses, they are more internal inside the organization, and opportunities or threats are external. So you see, we have to examine what organization does internally very well or badly, while the opportunity and threat looks for the positive and negative factor that might affect the organization externally. Means how many strengths do you have, so how well you are performing. Like you see, being a student, your strength might be accountancy, right, and your weakness might be management, for example. So you see, this is internally within you, and externally means examination system, the curriculums, the course, the teachers, the university, that are the external factors, right. So you have to see, some are good, some are the internal factors, strength and weaknesses, and external are opportunities and threats. So here you see, strengths, the things we are doing well, these are the strengths. Like you are very good at mathematics, very good at accounting, that's your strength. We are very good at communication. Similarly, organization might be very good at human resource, very good at technology, very good at procedures, or it may be very good at processes, right, anything, marketing, whatever. So the things we are doing that the competitors are not doing, means we are doing in such a way that competitors are unable to do, so we say this is our strength. So that leads to major successes. Just opposite to it, the things we are doing badly means that need to correct or improve. So our process, let's suppose all the things are going very well, but the procedure, or we are following the, let's suppose, bureaucratic kind of organization structure, there are too many procedures are involved, while other companies don't have that kind of. So there is a quick system. So what does it mean? The things we are not doing but we should do, so means that will lead to the major failure. So because in this case, or in this area, or in this specific issue, your competitors have advantage over you. Opportunities means those events and changes in the environment, in the external environment, that can be exploited, means that we can get benefit of it. Like for example, we have studied in pest analysis, let's suppose if the economic condition of the people are growing, right, so means no people have more money, so it's an opportunity, you can sell more your products, because when the income increases, people are more likely to spend more. Similarly, if the demographics, you are selling products that are more related to kids dresses, right, and the birth rate is increasing in that area, in your market, so this is opportunity, you can now have more kids, you can sell more. So things likely to go well in the future, so you should make such kind of a strategy to exploit that opportunity. And threats means event or the changes in the external environment that we need to protect ourselves from or defend ourselves against. Threats are, for example, the government has increased the rate of taxes, so it's an external environment. So what you can do, you need to manage yourself. You have to adjust that, how we are going to adjust that extra amount of tax, so that because it's going to increase your cost of production, and if you increase the price of your product, then you may lose the customer, right. So things likely to go badly in the future, so we have to devise plans and strategies for it. So that is how you can do the SWOT analysis. A company is attempting to analyze its competitive environment. Which of the following models would be most appropriate? What they are going to do? Competitive environment. Is it SWOT? Not SWOT. SWOT is, they are not seeing the competitive environment, they just see their internal strength and weaknesses and external what's happening. Pest analysis, it's all about external analysis. Value chain, it's all about how internal primary and secondary activities are performed. So it's all about the 5 forces. It tells us what is the level of competition. See, we have studied Porter's 5 forces. Remember? Hurry up. Okay, just tell me, what are those 5 forces we just discussed? Yes, rivalry among the firms, bargaining power of the customers, bargaining power of the suppliers, threat to the new entry, right. So these are the forces that are basically determining the level of competition in the industry.